Say your last words before I'm off in the night with the fuzz on my tail. You know I'll be paying the price, yeah. Welcome back to the J3G channel. I'm your host, J A 3G. Alright, today, guys, I promised you a few videos and I'm falling behind. Lot of life stuff going on here. A lot of life stuff, things that need to be, addressed and taken care of. I did get a cut, so a little shorter than normal, but it's okay. It's okay. Today, you guys know what time it is. Let me change the color, because it's a snowstorm. You guys know what that means. You guys know what that means. When it's a snowstorm, it is on. I haven't had some Snow the product in a minute, and I'm excited. I tried doing another video of Snow the product. Unfortunately, I reacted to it, went back, and my microphone was not even on. So, a little upset, but it's okay. Not much you could really do there. I didn't want to react first of all, the whole reaction, because then it'd be me faking a reaction, and I don't do that here. You know what I'm saying? I gotta listen to it live. I gotta give you my broad opinion, but it's okay. So we're taking it back, Snow the product, to doing fine, and I'm ready. If you guys are also ready, be sure to hit that like, be sure to hit that subscribe. We're on the road to 2K subscribers, and we're also very close to maybe making a Patreon to support the channel. But anyway, let's get into it, man. I'm dying for some snow.
I got a backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold, and the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine. Backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold, and the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine. Pale skin, shouty, clay chain hanging. All these haters like to talk, but I'm still something they can't hang with. While they vlogging at they home, I'm out on paid vacation, and I would name them all by name, but that's my...
While they all vlogging out at home, I'm out on paid vacation. Fair enough. Fair enough. She's still on paid vacation. I wish. Let me turn that down a little bit. It's a little bright.
Time that they be wasting, so I'm kicking back, hanging out. Really ain't shit that I'm worried about. I'm just paying my bills and my mom's bills too. Y'all problems seem so basic now. Me and my team getting faded now. Cooking out, playing ball while we wait around. 2 shows, 1 day, 3 checks, 1 weekend, and we ain't even made it now. It seems so funny that they hating, but we moving.
See, you could tell this is old Snow because there's a lot of like regular punches in there, like things that she wouldn't normally say now. But you could tell, like, not many tattoos, because I know right now she's got quite a bit of tattoos. Her style has changed. I haven't really seen her wear much of hats now. It's more like beanies and other things. But still, this is, what, 11 years old? It's quite a few years old. 8 years old. So this is 8 years old. And it's crazy to think how just 8 years ago this was Snow. So a lot can change in 8 years. I know she's been around at least for a decade, if not more, in the music scene. But let's keep going.
It's kinda crazy that they chasing what we doing. It's kinda lame that all these other rappers choosing to start hating on the girls that are fucking with the movement. Come on, man, we do this. I got a backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold, and the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine. Backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold, and the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So break for a day or two. And even then I got biz, gonna handle in a bit. Then it's back on road trips with the wake up crew. We whoa, we smoke, we wake they game up. And you know we go, so dope. The game gon' change up. Was a little chick from San Jose, up. And I'm taking over, mind is made up. And I ain't gon' stop till I cop me a guap down mansion somewhere rich as fuck. And I'm just dreaming big.
Sheesh, that whole ski, like she didn't take a breath. Hold on.
Alright, so what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine. Hyper-ass, snowy, anything I say, I mean anything I spit is real as me. Anything I do is from my team, so we just kicking back, making move. Only get a break for a day or two, and even then I got biz, gonna handle in a bit. Then it's back on road trips with the wake up crew. We whoa, we smoke, we wake they game up, and you know we go, so dope. The game gon' change up. Was a little chick from San Jose, up, and I'm taking over, mind is made up. And I ain't gon' stop till I cop me a guap down mansion somewhere rich as fuck. And I'm just dreaming big, having fun, still one of the cool kids. And I tell my mom that I'm finna get paid and I'm stopping all the bullshit. Cause she know the money I'm using to pay bills is off of my music. And she finally coming around, I told her, come on man, we do this. I got a backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold. And the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine. Backpack, shades, and a heart that's made of gold. And the title of my life, the best story ever told. And I think that I'm doing alright. So what if I wake up late and party all night? I'm doing fine.
Fire, man. For Old Snow, dude. Hold on, is it gonna show? Oh, it's gonna show that one. That was one that I did, by the way, and my microphone wasn't recording. It was a waste of time. Anyway. Oh man, dude, mosquitoes have been relentless. Like yesterday, today, they have just been going crazy. In any event, thank you guys for tuning in and watching another one of my reactions. If you guys like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm gonna try and get back to this. Like I said, still have a ton of reactions that I have to get to. Hopefully I have some time tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing not much, so maybe I can spam. That's the hope, is to spam some reactions for you guys. We can get back into this. I can give you guys some content to watch, and we can get up there. But appreciate all you guys as always. Thank you for becoming part of the Caribbean family, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace.